Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, May 2nd. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And after a very, very poor finish to the week and the month on Friday, the markets are continuing to push lower, as you can see. Right now, pre-market, SPY, right now, 410.48 is the pre-market low, which would put us below the yearly low. So Friday's low is critical for a couple of reasons. One, it's a monthly low, right? So if you take out a monthly low real early, that speaks volumes. Number two, if they take out Friday's monthly low, then the yearly low from February comes into focus, and then we see if this S&P comes out of a monthly balance to the downside. Russell and Triple Qs already have. SPY has held its own. The S&P has held its own so far in that regard. Remember, still not even close to being in a bear market, the S&P, but this would be a step in the right direction if they're able to take out February's monthly low and start getting some acceleration, as maybe they're trying to make a point prior to the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Remember, they meet the next 3 times, so it'll be very interesting. Right now, overnight high is 414.55. Overnight low is 410.48. So game plan for early today. Well, remember, we went out with a price probe. So the most positive response for bears is to open below L's low in the base of the price spike or with a gap lower. Well, that's what they're attempting to do, and we're trading right now near February's low. Now, if we open right on February's low, I don't know if I'd be looking to take a put play, quite simply because balance rules are just as important, if not more, than gap rules. Now, if we gap below February's low, you could certainly use that as an out if you take a short and or Friday's low, okay, which is it's less than $1 worth of heat. So that would be a pretty good risk-reward short if you were to open below February's low, because once we get below there, we can get some acceleration. There's nothing really below us for a while, okay? So that's one definite short play. On the flip side, if you open at these levels, take out February's low and don't get much for it and come back into Friday's range, then we see if we go and trade at least to the base of the price probe. Now, can you take a long the first time against a monthly low? If we open right at it, I guess you can, but I would have a pretty short leash on it because you're going to have lower value, possible gap, and like I said, below it, there's nothing. But they might defend it the first time. We'll have to see. Pre-market volume right now with 75 minutes to go is just over 800,000. Again, you'll be getting this play-by-play if you're in my voice channel room. And then quickly on the chart. So here's the monthly. It's a 3-month balance. They're attempting on the first trading day of May to try to come out of that balance to the downside, right? Balance rules. If they take it out, we'll see if all they want to do is stretch it and come back in or not. Being a monthly balance, it's obviously going to take a while to figure out if they do, if that's all they're looking to do. But on the weekly, firmly down, and again on the daily, firmly down. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.